Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this one, we are going to be diagnosing our issues with the Ranger. I'm gonna see if it fires up. I haven't touched it since the Vetter Mountain off-roading video. Make sure you guys check that one out and see how I managed to damage that. Yeah, let's see what's wrong with this thing. So, you guys have given me lots of ideas. I thank you guys for that. I honestly have no clue where to start, but let's see if she fires, guys. Probably will. Oh yeah, like it's never even been off. So it does this thing, it's done it for a long time, where as you guys can see, it's idling at 2,000. But if you guys know why it's doing that, let me know. But once I kind of give it some revs, it usually drops once it's warmed up and stuff. But let's go take it for a little drive. There we go. Now it's dropped. We're gonna take it for a little cruise. I want to see if it's still doing it or if it was like something happened at the time and it's better now. Or okay, and we still got our working mirrors, which is good. Okay, seatbelt check, and we only got one hand, so let's see, guys. Let's see what's going on here. So let's go around the block. It feels okay right now. You guys check out that other video if you guys could. It just had no power, so let's see if it's still doing that. I haven't checked anything yet. Okay, so it seems to have its power back. It's just from sitting. Like it, as you guys saw there, it did pull pretty good. Basically what it felt like before the last video. Just give here. A little bit of uphill. Yeah, it feels good. It definitely feels better than it did. I haven't touched anything, like I said. It's driving well. I don't know why. So maybe we're gonna test out our 4x4 and stuff, see if that still works. Make sure it engages. I literally, guys, since I bought this thing, I've just not cared about it. I bought it for 200 bucks. I put the bed on. It was super fun, but I just haven't cared about it at all. It is my fault why it's just kind of becoming garbage now. But so let's put it in neutral. See if we get 4x4 low. There you go. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be in 4 low. All right, guys, so I put it in 4 low, and 4 low seemed really good. That's where I'm gonna be forever on both trucks of mine. I just never used 4 low, really stupid, but now, from now on, I'm always gonna be in 4 low. So feels good on the truck still, that's good. It does engage really well. And the other thing is I checked the transmission fluid. There's barely any, and it's shot. Like, it's not the right color. It looks exactly like what you guys said. It looks like I need to flush it and put in some new fluid. And I feel like the transmission's fine. We might have just saved it. Let's make sure we get some right fluid in this before we go out on our next journey. And then I feel like it should be fine if we're just chilling in 4 low. I haven't had any other issues. So yeah, if you guys got any input, just let me know in the comments. The comments from the last time, you guys, that really helped. You guys gave me just a bunch of ideas, and that helped me out a lot. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Just a short update on the Ranger. I know a lot of you guys like the Ranger more than the Ram, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.